If you are writing any document and you want to find out the number of times the word has been repeated in your Word document, then you can use a simple key to find out where the word has been repeated again and again. For example, this is the document and I want to check out where adsorption word has been written, and instead of reading and searching line by line, I can simple copy the word here adsorption, and with the help of a simple key, that is Control+F. Once you click on Control+F, this navigation bar will open to you, and here you can paste the word that you are searching for. Once you write or paste the word here, you can see that these results appear to you, and it shows the heading where heading and pages and results, three different types of options. You can click on result option and find where this word has been written repeatedly. So here you can see these words have been highlighted. So adsorption has been written 4 times in this overall document, and you can replace it, or you can use some other words, or if you want to check some other words as well, you can remove this word here, and you can then for example, if I click on die, there is no word of die in this whole document. You can simply find out your keywords. You can simply find out your selected words, either they are present in your document or no, so just by pressing Control+F. Okay, so in coming videos we will discuss some more interesting topics about some short keys that you can use to save your time for editing your Word document. So stay tuned with Young Researchers. Till then, Allah Hafiz.